Are you searching for a simple, natural way to calm daily inflammation and give your immune system a real boost? If you've ever felt tired, achy, or just not quite yourself, the answer might not be found in your medicine cabinet. It could be waiting for you right in your kitchen. This vibrant turmeric drink isn't just tasty. It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's dive into how to make this powerful, immunity-boosting tonic and explore why every single ingredient matters. Plus, stick around for a tip that'll make this drink an easy and lasting part of your daily routine. Before we start blending, let's talk about why this drink works so well. The secret lies in its ability to fight chronic inflammation. When most people hear the word inflammation, they imagine the redness and swelling after an injury, what's known as acute inflammation. That's actually your body's way of healing itself, a short-term rescue mission that helps you recover. But there's another kind of inflammation, one that's far sneakier. This is chronic inflammation, best thought of as a slow-burning fire deep inside your body. It's not obvious or dramatic, but over time, this low-level stress can lead to a host of problems. Chronic inflammation is the silent force behind feelings of fatigue, joint aches, digestive troubles, diabetes, cancer, and even brain fog. In fact, many scientists believe it's a root cause of many major health issues, from heart disease to autoimmune disorders. Here's the good news. You have the power to help put out that fire. The foods you eat can either fuel inflammation or help cool it down. That's where this golden drink comes in. It's a simple, potent tool you can use every single day to help your body fight back and restore balance. Let's talk about the star of the show, turmeric. This golden orange root, closely related to ginger, has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. Ancient healers reached for turmeric to treat everything from joint pain to skin conditions, and now, modern science is proving why. The secret is a compound called curcumin, which gives turmeric its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant punch. Curcumin works deep at the cellular level, helping turn down the body's inflammation response. Studies show that consistent turmeric consumption can reduce joint pain, especially in people with conditions like osteoarthritis. But curcumin's benefits don't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant, helping shield your cells from the damaging effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and disease. Every sip of this turmeric drink isn't just fighting existing inflammation, it's helping protect your body's future health. For the best effect, use fresh turmeric root if you can find it, but a high-quality organic powder works beautifully too. Now, here's a crucial secret: black pepper. It might seem like a simple spice, but it plays one of the most important roles in this recipe. Here's why. On its own, curcumin is surprisingly hard for the body to absorb. Your liver is quick to break it down, so most of it passes right through you. But black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which dramatically increases curcumin's absorption by as much as 2,000%. Just a pinch of black pepper tells your liver to slow down, allowing your body to soak up all the anti-inflammatory benefits turmeric has to offer. So, when you see turmeric and black pepper paired up, know that it's more than just for flavor. It's science at work. The next ingredient might surprise you: extra virgin olive oil. You might wonder, why put oil in a drink? Here's the answer. Curcumin is fat-soluble, which means it needs a little healthy fat to help your body absorb it. Adding olive oil ensures the curcumin gets where it needs to go. But olive oil isn't just a vehicle, it brings its own health benefits too. It's rich in healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, the most famous being oleocanthal. This compound works similarly to ibuprofen, targeting the same inflammation pathways. That gentle, peppery tickle you feel at the back of your throat when tasting good olive oil? That's the oleocanthal at work. To tie all these powerful ingredients together, we need fresh citrus juice. Think oranges and lemons. Not only do they add a burst of zesty flavor, but they're also packed with vitamin C, one of nature's most potent antioxidants. Vitamin C supports the immune system and helps the body recover from stress. It works hand in hand with curcumin, giving you an even stronger antioxidant shield. Plus, The sweetness of orange juice balances out the earthiness of turmeric, while lemon juice cuts the richness of olive oil, making the drink something you'll actually crave. So, how do you make this inflammation-fighting elixir? It's incredibly simple. For one serving, you'll need 1 cup of fresh orange juice, from about 2 large oranges. You can mix in some lemon juice if you like. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated turmeric root, or half a teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder. A pinch of freshly ground black pepper, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. An optional, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. Optional, a teaspoon of raw honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. 1/4 to half a cup of filtered water or coconut water to reach your preferred consistency. Start by juicing your citrus until you have about a cup of liquid. Prep your turmeric and ginger. If they're organic, you can leave the skin on, though a quick scrape with a spoon makes things smoother. Place everything in a blender: juice, turmeric, black pepper, olive oil, ginger if using, and water or coconut water. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds until perfectly smooth. Taste it. If it's a bit earthy, stir in a dash of honey. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for the most potent effect. Now, here's that tip for making this a habit. Batch prep your drink. Instead of blending every morning, make enough for 5 to 7 days. Store it in an airtight glass jar in the fridge and shake well before each use. Or, freeze the mixture in an ice cube tray. Pop a cube into your smoothie or dissolve in hot water for an instant turmeric tea. On chilly mornings, gently warm your drink, but avoid boiling, which could weaken the active compounds. For best results, enjoy this drink first thing in the morning, but any time is great. Think of each sip as a daily investment in your long-term health. With consistency, you'll be helping your body cool down that chronic internal fire and setting yourself up for more energy, better recovery, and stronger immunity. So, the next time you feel a little off, reach for this golden tonic. You're not just drinking for today, you're building a foundation for a healthier tomorrow. Give it a try, make it your own, and celebrate the power of simple, natural ingredients to support your well-being. Cheers to your health.